Introduction. Welcome to King Bike. Today, we're exploring the legendary Honda CBR600RR, a middleweight supersport motorcycle built for riders who love precision, speed, and racing-inspired performance. Design and styling. The Honda CBR600RR features an aggressive aerodynamic design inspired by Honda's racing machines. Its sharp bodywork, compact frame, and sporty riding position give it a true track-focused appearance while maintaining street appeal. Engine and performance. Powered by a 599 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, the CBR600RR delivers strong high RPM performance with smooth power delivery. Its lightweight chassis, advanced suspension, and responsive handling make it a thrilling choice for both road riding and track days. Technology and features. The CBR600RR comes equipped with modern electronics, including ride modes, traction control, and advanced braking systems. These features help provide confidence, control, and maximum performance in different riding conditions. Riding experience. Known for its sharp cornering ability and racing DNA, the Honda CBR600RR offers an exciting experience for riders who want a balance of speed, agility, and everyday usability. Conclusion. The Honda CBR600RR remains one of Honda's most iconic supersport motorcycles, combining race-inspired technology with legendary reliability. Stay tuned to King Bike for more amazing motorcycle reviews.